Matapos ang 5 buwang pananatili ng BRP Teresa Magbanwa sa Sabinao, Skoda Shoal, naglayag na ito pabalik sa home port nito kahapon. Ayon sa ulat ng National Maritime Council at ng Philippine Coast Guard, kinailangan ng bumalik ng BRP Teresa Magbanwa dahil sa patuloy na nakakaranas ng masamang panahon sa lugar. Naubos na rin ang supply ng pagkain at kinakailangan ding ilikas ang ilan sa mga tauhan nito dahil sa pagkakasakit.
A decision for you to reposition yourself as to ensure that we are able to sustain our ability to secure this part of the country for the long haul. We decided to direct you to proceed Puerto Princesa City because your crew are getting sick, because your ship has suffered critical damage and the weather is bad. And I'd like to emphasize to you, Lieutenant Duran, that you have accomplished your mission.
Matatandaang noong August 31, 3 beses na binangga ng barko ng China ang BRP Teresa Magbanwa na nagbabantay sa Sabina Shoal. Nagtamo ito ng structural damage gaya ng malaking butas. Tinangka rin itong hatira ng supply ng PCG, ngunit bigo ito dahil sa paghaharang ng China sa mga barko ng Pilipinas.
Your mission was very, very clear. In April, you were directed to proceed to Skoda Shoal. Number 1, to deter any efforts to do small-scale reclamation in that area. Number 2, you were directed because you were to provide the platform and the capabilities for the marine scientific survey and studies which has to be done in the area because of the massive coral destruction reported to us. You've done it very well. And third, you were tasked to provide protection to our fishermen in the area.
Pasado 2:00 ng hapon kahapon nang dumaong ang BRP Teresa Magbanwa sa Puerto Princesa Port sa Palawan. Idineploy ang BRP Teresa Magbanwa sa lugar para i-monitor ang iligal na pagtatambak ng mga patay na corals doon at posibleng reklamasyon. Ang Sabina Shoal ay nasa 75 nautical miles lamang ang layo mula sa Palawan at pasok ito sa 200 nautical miles exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.